What's up, everyone? This video, we're going to be talking about how to start a brand new general contracting company in 2025. So the very first thing you got to do is obviously have skills. You need to understand how to do the actual work first. How to start off, you can become a subcontractor for a lot of contractors that are hiring in the area. I guarantee you can find one job very easily, or start off as a handyman. A lot of contractors transition from the handyman side of things to the obviously general contracting because as a handyman is lower ticket. It's not as much skills as a general contractor, but you can start off small. You can have these small. You can start learning drywall and flooring right away. It'll probably take you 2-3 months of experience, and then you can start making $1,000 a day very fast. Just because, let's say, an average ticket drywall job is $1,000. Drywall and your tools is around $100, and it's around 90% profit margin. So you can easily make 1K days every single day if you get consistent, and you can make around $30,000 a month if you know what you're doing, you have a good reputation, and you spread word of mouth fast. So what I would do is obviously learn skills. Second thing is open an LLC and pick a company name that is not too saturated, that doesn't have like other people have the same name as you. So I see a lot of companies in that, like especially my area, where they just have very similar name, and if somebody mistypes the name, it shows the other company. So I would have a unique name. So whatever your company is, try to be more have a unique name. That's first thing. Don't work on website. Don't work on logos. Nothing like that. Get your license first. For me in Pennsylvania, for the home improvement license, it costs around $50. Get that as soon as possible. That's the first thing I would do. But actually, before that, you need an LLC. So open LLC. It's $150. Get a business bank account. That is for free. Get a business debit card. Do that so you can do tax write-offs. And then get a license. Only get insurance when you start getting consistent jobs and people start asking for it, because the insurance costs around like a couple $100 as a down payment for the monthly premium, and then you got to start paying. I don't know, it depends on what you do. Handyman's like I was paying $20 a month, but if you do roofing, it's like a couple thousand a month. So you got to be careful with that. So that's what I'll do first. First, learn the skills. Try to build your connection base. Get business cards, hand them out. That's the first thing I'll do. Once you start getting word of mouth clients and start growing a little bit, you have to open a Google business page. I preach this on this account so much that if you don't have a Google business page in 2025, you are just burning money down the drain. You're not burning money, you're losing money, because anybody, let's say your neighbor searches up general contractor near me on Google Maps, and they're like, wait, I have a contractor right across the street. Let me give him a call. So I'm telling you this right now, once you build your account up, you get a lot of reviews, you can get 30 to 50 calls a month easily, not a question. And you don't even need to pay for marketing after that, right? So that's the first thing I would do. So build a connection base. And by the way, when you're building connections, make connections with other contractors that you know are going to be reliable. So in case you need a sub workout or you need to have high quality employees, because when you start growing, you need to hire. If you don't have good employees, you hire some people from Home Depot or Lowe's or Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist, even worse, your business will crumble fast. I had really bad experience. I got burned really bad in the past by hiring cheap subs. Don't do that. Make sure you hire good quality subs, because your quality of work, even though you might not make as much on the job, matters more in the long run. So don't chase for profits, chase for quality and reputation when you first start, okay? And as you're growing, when you have a Google business page, when you start getting reviews and you start getting 5, 10K months, and you start having budget in the bank to start running ads and get more work, run Google local ads. Don't touch anything else. Don't buy Angie Lead's Thumbtack. Don't do any of that. Get on Google local ads as soon as you have around $2,000 a month for marketing expense. Why is it the best? You only pay per phone call. Okay? You pay per phone call. It's like kind of the same thing as pay per lead, but the client's actually searching you up on Google saying, general contractor near me. They see your company. Okay? Get on that platform right away. And then as you start scaling, then start working on your social media. So start posting on Instagram every single day, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, like I am right now. Because these platforms, one, they grow your SEO, okay? Search engine optimization. They grow your SEO. You're going to get more searches in your area. So if you're in your bio, if you put like general contractor in Bucks County, I live in Bucks County, and you put that in your Instagram or YouTube video, when somebody searches that up on Google, they'll see it and you'll get more views, okay? And you're going to get more leads, you're going to get more phone calls. So I would 100% recommend doing that. So once you get Google Local and Google Ads set up, it's really important that you have your tracking your expenses, your materials, all your costs, just because in the contracting space, you can really get burned fast if you don't track, because you can get ahead of yourself. Be like, hey, I'm making 10K on the job. Well, actually, after all the expenses and getting the leads, you actually only made 2,000, and people don't track it. And also for taxes as well, marketing is a good tax write-off. So you should track all your expenses, understand what you're paying for, okay? Then when you start scaling, I would start recommending diversifying your avenues of generating jobs. Just because when the slow season comes in the winter, you don't want to be stuck with generating one way and that way slows down. So I would expand my organic presence, word of mouth presence, online presence. So what does that mean? Like Google local ads, Facebook ads, Google ads, post on Nextdoor. I don't see a lot of contractors posting Nextdoor. Nextdoor is a very underrated platform. Post there, guys. Try to post at least once a week on every single platform, just so you keep your followers posted, you keep them updated, and you show them that you do good quality work. Even start vlogging. Start vlogging your job. Start vlogging your estimates. Start vlogging you interacting with the clients. So when the clients see your social media page, they understand who they're dealing with before you even come to their property. Okay? And then talking about the websites, I see a lot of contractors waste money in the beginning on websites. I would only recommend having a professional website done when you have a stabilized company. So when you're a couple months in, don't waste your money right now on a website that you don't need. Just have a Facebook page, have a Google page. That's all free, guys. Have a Google page, have a Nextdoor page, have a YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn page. Have all these guys. And then with LinkedIn, I would add all the real estate investors, property managers, all that stuff like that. So when you make connections with them, also on Instagram too, give them a follow, like their posts, DM them. You're going to start getting commercial clients, and you're going to start building your name fast. That's what I did with my company. So within a couple months, as an 18-year-old, I generated over $100,000 in revenue very fast. Within, I think, a couple months. Just by outreaching, by running advertisements as my own company. And to be honest, guys, if you really put in the work and you're serious about running this company, getting $100,000 a month is pretty easy. You just need $10,000 bathroom remodeling jobs. How do you do that? You obviously need to build your connection base. You need to build your online presence. And once you do all that and you feel like it's stable, get your reviews up. I'm telling you, Google cherry picks who has the most reviews. If you have over 200 reviews right now in 2025, you're going to get 30 to 50 calls a month organically without paying any money on ads. So guys, if you have any questions on how you should start your general contracting business, how you want to scale, how you want to grow, book a call with me, link in my bio. Any other questions, let me know. Take care.